guys, it's Kirsten, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a classy eye with a red lip. I haven't done one of these looks in like the longest time, so I was like, you know what, I might as well do something a little bit different, a little bit switch up. I've been doing a lot of colorful looks lately, so I thought to just bring it back to the classy look. And yeah guys, if you want to see how this classy, sexy red lip turns out, then please keep on watching. First things first, I'm gonna put my hair back just with little clippies. Okay, so we want a very bronze, dewy kind of skin look today. So first I'm gonna be starting with the BeautyByKay Rose Water Spray, and I'm just gonna be spraying that all over my face. So that's basically our primer. So then we're going to start with foundation. So we want our skin to be very full glam. This is a full glam classic red lip look. So we want everything to be concealed, freckles, everything. So I'm going to be using a full coverage foundation today. And the one that I've really been liking lately is the Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hour. This is in the color 120 Classic Ivory. Everyone's been raving about this on YouTube, on the internet, everything. So I'm going to be putting probably 3 pumps on the back of my hand, and I'm going to be putting in some luminizing drops so that we don't look too matte. So this is the Sephora Radiant Luminizing Drops, and this is in the shade Ultra Light. So we're just going to put probably like one big plop right on top of there, and I'm just going to be taking my foundation brush, my beauty blender, and I'm just going to be mixing it with that. Alright, so after the foundation's on, we're going to be moving to a concealer. So I'm going to be using the Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C5. And I'm going to put that underneath my eye, kind of low. So we're breaking all the rules that Kirsten usually does today. I'm going to go all the way down in a triangle. I'm going to go on our nose, our forehead, and on some blemishes that we have, just so everything is concealed. Alright, so now that we blended in the concealer, we're not going to be using powder just yet. We're going to be using a cream contour. So for this I'm going to be using the Pro Conceal LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer, and this is in the shade Espresso. So it's obviously darker than my skin tone, so I'm just going to be taking some and putting it right on my cheekbones. You can kind of look straight too, and you can see where the divots kind of go in, so you want to put the... I have been filming with this AC on the entire time, and oh my god, I can't with myself. Reason 101 as to why Kirsten's such a good YouTuber. Okay, so then I'm going to put some on the sides of my thing. I'm going to be taking the BeautyByKay Rose Water. I'm going to be spraying some on my beauty blender and bouncing that. Alright, so now that we did the cream contour, now we're going to be setting it. Well, setting the whole face. So I'm going to be using the Coty Airspun powder, and I'm going to be baking underneath my eyes. And then we're going to be taking that powder and just keeping it to the side. Don't put it away just yet. We're going to be setting that cream contour with some bronzer. So you guys know it's my favorite, the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. And I'm just going to be taking that on my big brush and swirling it around and putting that right. Alright, so now to dust off the bake, I'm just going to be taking a big fluffy brush. So if the skin's looking a little dry, you can always spray some BeautyByKay Rose Water on it. So it's looking a little bit matte, a little bit dry for me, so I'm going to be taking some spray.
Give us a whirl.
Now to kind of chisel out the cheekbones with that excess powder that we have that we just put to the side. I'm just going to be making a line right underneath. We're just going to keep that on for a little bit just so it kind of sets in the skin. And now for blush, we're going to be using a shimmery blush because we want this whole look to be dewy and pretty. So I'm going to be using the Hot Mama by The Balm. It has a little bit of shimmer in it. I'm just going to be taking a blush brush, kind of tapping into it and smiling and putting it on the apples of our cheeks. We're focusing this look to be very warm, so a lot of gold is perfect. So for highlighter, like I said, we want everything to be warm and gold. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter, one of my favorites. It's literally stunning, gorgeous, gorgeous. And I'm just gonna be taking a highlighter brush and I'm just gonna be plopping that right on my cheekbones. Oh yes, oh my god, I can't put enough of this stuff on. So this goes with the whole gold, red kind of scheme. Okay, honey. All right, so we're gonna be moving on to brows. I'm gonna be doing my brows off camera and then I will be right back. Okay, so now that I finished my brows, we're gonna move on to eyes. So the eyes are super, super, super simple. I'm just gonna be taking a big fluffy brush with the bronzer. And I'm literally just going to be putting that in the crease. Literally, that's it. And then for just a little bit of extra pizzazz, I'm going to be taking the NYX glitter, and this is in the shade MGLI04. So it's just like this gold shade. And I'm going to be taking the glitter primer, and I'm just going to be taking a flat shader brush, and I'm going to be putting some glitter primer on that and popping it in the inner corner on both eyes. And then I'm going to be adding that glitter just to the inner corner. Okay, so this may look silly and crazy right now. It'll look better once we, it will look better once we put the lashes and stuff on. So now I'm gonna be dusting off the bake on my face. So I'm just gonna take in a big brush. See, now you can see that like chiseled look on each side. It's great. They're great. So now I'm just gonna be adding some mascara, doing my lashes, and then I will be right back. And for my lashes, I'm gonna be using the Lily Lashes in the style Luxe. Alright, so now for lips, we're going to be doing a red lip. So I'm just going to be taking the Jordana lip liner in Sedona Red. And then I'm going to be taking the Sephora collection. What is this? Cream lip stain. And this is in the shade 01. I think it's called Always Red. So I'm going to be lining my lips first. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's a very sexy date night kind of look, and honestly, like, I'm obsessed with it. Like the glowy skin, the lashes, the little glitter in the inner corner, the lips, everything is just classic red. My nails, my little satin shirt, everything matches perfectly, and honestly it's so classy, so pretty. If you like tutorials like this, then please thumbs up the video. Please subscribe to my channel. It matches me. The red matches me. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, loves.